Wow, it's come like so we can never find Summerland. Siri, where is Summerland?
Sorry, I don't know where that is.
Siri, you ain't shit. Your mom ain't shit. You don't have Summerland. Sir, but what, son? You know where's Summerland? Yeah, man, you can't enter the directions, man. It's right around the corner. Wait.
Wait. Me now have to complicate the location because I actually have to go in before I come out of this. I have a right bend straight corner to make, and it's very tricky. So you have to know where to walk, when to walk. No, let me show you. You see, after you make it straight left up there, so you make a straight right first. But you're not gonna make the straight right there, so you can't make the straight right there. So because if you go in there, so pop out upon the left. Then you go on a right left turn. If you go on a right left turn, you go on a straight left corner. But you can't pass the straight left corner unless you go straight. You have to make a bend first. After you make the bend there, you just go straight over. You see what I say? But another that you know. You have a little road up there, son. You have a little road in the Gully Hill. You have to go down on the hill where you go up top back. Because after you pass the top, you have to go around the corner. After you go around the corner like so now, you go straight. Don't stop until you turn. You see, after you turn, you go straight. But don't turn, you have to go straight. But after you go straight, you have to turn. You get to me, I say? So after you go straight, you go around the corner there, so you have to pass one big house. Yellow, but it blue. But yellow. No, it blue. Yellow. It blue. You see it? So you pass and you go straight up. Don't stop. Me say don't stop. Because there are so many left over to the right, and there is a left flank pike turn to the left hand side. So you go over that side there, you have to go come round this again. You go make a diagonal circle. After you make the diagonal circle, you go straight. After you come back straight, you make a left bend. Don't make the left bend until you go on the right corner, because the right corner is right near the left bend.